Hi everyone, this is your math guru. This video is on pie charts. In the summer, a survey was conducted among 400 people about their favorite beverages. The following pie chart shows the data. 1. How many people like tea? 2. How many people like coffee, then cold coffee? And 3. Calculated degrees, the number of people that like iced tea. A pie chart is a circular graph that shows the proportion of a whole in its slices, with each slice representing a different category. So, going to the first part of the question that says how many people like tea, you can see that the pie chart has been divided into slices of percentages. So if I go to tea, that will be 56% as shown. Now, because we're told to find the number of people that like tea, I'm going to change that 56% into numbers. So therefore, for the first part of the question, I have the total number of people. That's 400. Then for tea, that will be, I've been given the percentage as 56% of 400. So if I work that out, that's 56% of the 400 people. And anytime you see the percentage sign, that means divided by 100 times 400. And that will give us 56 over 100 times 400. I have the zeros going out. Therefore, my final answer will be 224 people that like tea. The second part of the question says, how many people or how many more people like coffee than cold coffee? I'm going to highlight, I have cold coffee, that's 12%, and then I have coffee, that's 24%. So to find how many more people like cold coffee than coffee or vice versa, I'm going to say, as a second part, coffee, that will be the difference, minus cold coffee, and that is equal to the percentage of the people that like coffee, that's 24%, of the total number of people, minus number of people that like cold coffee, so that's 12% of the total number of people, and that will be 24% is 24 over 100 times 400 minus, then I have cold coffee, 12%, that's 12 over 100 times 400. I have all my zeros going out, therefore I'm left with 24 times 4, which is 96, minus 12 times 4, that's 48, and that will give us 48 people. So the last part of the question says calculating degrees, the number of people that like iced tea. So I need to find the number of people that like iced tea. So I start with, for the number 3, iced tea will be, I have that as 6%. So that will be 6% of the 400, the total number of people surveyed. And that's 6 over 100 times 400. I have my zeros going off, so I'm left with 6 times 4. So that means 24 people liked iced tea. So therefore, to change that into the degrees, we know that the sum of angles at a point is 360 degrees. So therefore, in degree, that's my iced tea, I call that IT, will be 24, that's the number of people that like iced tea, over the total number of people, 400, times, I'm trying to divide 360 degrees, that's the sum of angles at a point. And if I calculate this, I have 21,6 degrees. So therefore, that part of the iced tea represents 21,6 degrees out of the whole 360 degrees. Thanks for watching. Bye.